This is where the parking is. There's parking for about 8 cars. There is overflow parking a quarter mile down the road. And across the road is where the trail starts. Today's adventure brings us back to Iron Mountain. Cheryl and I haven't been here for 8 years.
Wow.
So we've come back to see what's changed, and we are here with the adventure team, Dave, Tina, and Barry. So we're gonna go to the top of Iron Mountain, show you the top, the remains of the fire tower, go down and check out some mines, and yes, mines with an S. Cave expert Dave has located yet another mine, at least one.
So let's go.
After a short walk through the field, come into the wooded area, and they do want you to please stay on the trail. That's what we're gonna do.
We're back to open field and then back into the woods again.
It didn't take long for us to hit elevation. As you can see where Cheryl and Tina are. As I go up, Dave and Barry are up there. It's about 9/10 of a mile from the parking lot to get to the summit. And there's a lot of trail erosion like there was back 8 years ago when Cheryl and I did this.
So we came from here.
Steeper than it looks.
And I can see Dave's feet. We're going up there where Barry is. It's a little steep.
So before we get to the summit, there is a viewpoint. Right over there is the Wildcat Range. Coming across here is the Presidential Range. You can see Mount Washington right there. Just continuing along. Welcome to the top of Iron Mountain. There's a geological survey marker right here. Now the summit comes in at 2,726 feet. At one time it was called Bald Face, and the summit used to be bald with views. And as you can see, that's no longer the case.
The trees grew.
It's also no longer on the 52 with a view list like it was the first time we came here. I guess we're gonna have to go do another mountain to finish that list, huh?
I guess so.
But it is on the fire tower list. Why? Because once there was a 30-foot fire tower that stood here from 1938 till 1948. It was sold in 1949, but I don't know, and it looks like they forgot a couple of pieces. What do you think? Now, the name was later changed to Iron Mountain because there's iron inside the mountain, and we are going to take you inside of this mountain. But first, we're going to go down to the southern cliffs and show you the views from there.
Woohoo!
So after you leave where the fire tower remains are, you will have a semi-flat walk headed out to the ledges, but it's going to go down like this.
Down and down and down.
Yeah, zooming in down there to where Dave and Barry are. But you know what? It's going to be worth it because the views will be great.
Check out these southern cliffs. They are so cool, but they can be dangerous. It's a great place to have lunch or just lay in the sun. They certainly give us some great views. And these are those views from the cliffs.
And that mountain way over there on the right is the last mountain Cheryl and I climbed to complete the New Hampshire 48 4,000 footers.
And that's Mount Carrigan.
Yes, it is. And a good majority of the mountains that you are seeing, we stood on the top of them, including Mount Attitash right there, though we never skied it.
Love these views. They never get old.
No, they don't.
As you come down, you will come to this intersection. To the right, you will go to the ledges. And to the left, where Barry is, you will go down to the mines.
We're going to find the new ones. This is where we're going to let Dave shine now.
It's not talking about my head either.
Oh my God.
And right here is the first of the mines. It's full of water, waiting to see if Brandling goes in or not.
Ooh, that feels nice.
Cheryl, you're next.
I don't think so.
Dave?
If Randy can do it, I can.
Oh, I should hold you to it. Now, a little mining 101 for you. If you're ever out looking for a mine and you run across this, these are the scraps that they pull out of a mine. It's called tailing. It also means that the mine should be very, very close. Now, in case you wonder why it's called Iron Mountain, well, this is what they mine here. Iron. So, it's a pretty good specimen Barry's holding right there. Is that a slide? If anyone knows where she can get a new backpack cheap, let us know. Sure, just wipe that out.
Walmart.
Now, according to our cave expert Dave, there are 5 different areas where they did mining, and 2 of them, including this one, have horizontal shafts going into the mountain. The eye that just popped up will take you to Dave's YouTube channel if you want more specifics about the mines in New Hampshire.
According to our research, this mountain was worked by Jackson Iron Manufacturing Company, incorporated in 1836, and it was hard rock mining.
Yeah, holes were drilled into the rocks, as you can see here, and then crowbars or dynamite were used to remove the iron ore from the surrounding material. And if you've never picked up iron ore, it has some weight to it.
What are you guys doing?
We're pumping iron.
Literally.
The slope of this mountain was also too steep to get the iron down, so the workers had to carry it down themselves. And we can attest to it being too steep.
Especially my knees. Now, unfortunately, there was never enough iron being taken from the mine to make it profitable, so operations ceased in the 1870s.
So we found this mine back in 2013. Not much has changed. Let's go check out the new mine that Dave found.
Bye! Come for Brandy. Wait for me.
All right, so Barry has disappeared into the side of the mountain. This is the mine that Cheryl and I did not know was here. And Dave, our cave expert, is working his way through now. We haven't heard from Barry in a while. Check on him when you're in there, Dave.
Yeah, I think he's tapping SOS on the walls.
All right, so you have to crawl through, but once in there, it appears you can stand up. I see legs. Hope we know who they are. Hey, Branch, you coming? Come on. Go find Barry. Where's Barry, Brand? Hey, Brand. All right, let's take a walk through the rest of the cave.
As you see, it's all right.
Oh, no, okay. The actual material changes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You see, it looks like a sandstone and going to almost a granite looking.
Here's the granite, and here's the sandstone part.
Hey, shine a light on Tina so all her loyal fans can see her. Yep, she's in here too. All right, Barry just built the table for our group photo, which is coming up now. All right, so one of the things that we see a lot when we come out that we don't really like is Dave. No, not Dave.
Two of the things we don't really like.
But see what Dave's holding up there? That's trash. He found it inside the mine, so we are taking it out. Well, Dave's taking it out. So, you know, trash in, trash out.
Yeah, just enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's all. Clean up.
All right, so we are thinking that this is the final pit we're going to show you today. There's supposedly one more, but, well, we're a little tired for this trip.
There's definitely one more. I have located it.
Okay. All right, and we know for a fact now that this was a pit mine. So you can see where Dave's trekking pole is. That is a drill mark. Zoom in on it for you.
Tina, did you hear?
All right, we are good. Hey everyone, we are back down from Iron Mountain. We had a great day up there. Great to be back out with the adventure team, but we are extremely exhausted. It was a tiring day. So we're gonna let you go here, but if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. If you wanna follow along with everything we do here on the We Are Mud Fun channel, wherever they do that, Dave?
Hit that subscribe button right down there and ring the bell to be notified of future videos.
If you have any questions or comments, where would they be?
Right down below us.
Or you can just say hi. Why, Tina?
Because we'll say hi back.
We always do.
And until our next adventure, the end.
The end.